everyone. How are you all? Good? Okay. So now open page number 142. Open book page number 142. Exercise 9.1. Question number 4. Question number 4 is a word problem. So read the word problem carefully. The length of a carpet is 3.4 meter and the breadth is 2.3 meter. The length of a carpet is length of a carpet is 3.4 meter and breadth is 2.3 meter. What will be its perimeter? So in question what we need to find? We need to find perimeter. Perimeter means total length of boundary. Total length of boundary we want to find. And what is given here? Length and breadth are given, right? So let us start solving it. Given data. Okay, so what is the given data? Length is given here and breadth is given here. Length of carpet is equals to and breadth of carpet. Given is 3.4 meter and 2.3 meter respectively. Right? Now, what you want to find? You want to find perimeter. So, we don't know what is perimeter. We want to find it. Right? So, here length and breadth are given. Length and breadth are given. So, it means we need to find perimeter of rectangle or square. Which shape? Length and breadths are given. It means we will find the perimeter of rectangle. We will apply the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of carpet will be, carpet is in the shape of rectangle, right? So, what was the formula for rectangle? 2 multiplied by bracket open length plus breadth. It was the formula, right? Here the carpet is in rectangular shape, right? So, perimeter of carpet is equals to 2, write down as it is, multiply sign as it is, open the bracket, length. We have the value for length. What is the value of length? 3.4 meter. So write 3.4 meter. Then plus symbol is there, copy down here, plus breadth. We have breadth. How much breadth is given? 2.3 meter. So write 2.3 meter. Okay. Now further solve. Perimeter of carpet is equals to 2 multiplied with, okay, solve with this bracket. 3.4 plus 2.3. Both the numbers are decimal numbers. And how we solve the decimal numbers? We arrange them column wise and then we add them. So when we add both this number, we get 5.7 meter. Okay. Now further solve. Perimeter of carpet is equals to 2 multiplied by 5.7 meter. So arrange both the number column wise and multiply them. When we arrange both the number column wise and multiply, we will get 2 sevens are 14. So 4 here, 1 carry forward. 2 fives are 10 and 1 11. 11.4 meter as our result. So here the perimeter of carpet is 11.4 meter. The perimeter of carpet is 11.4 meter. I hope you understand it. You will copy this solution from the board. Right now you can take a screenshot from here and later you can note down in your copy. Okay? I am giving you few minutes to note it down. Now let us do the next question, that is question number 5. Read the question number 5 carefully. Question number 5 is find the perimeter of given figures. Two parts are given, part A and part B, right? Two figures are given. First figure is a square figure and second figure is a rectangular figure, and you want to find perimeter of both the figures. So let us do it. With the help of formula we can find the values. So question number 5, find the perimeter. Question number 8, a square is drawn whose one side is 44 point. The length of each side is 44.9 centimeter. 44.9 centimeter. Right? The length of each side is 44.9 centimeter, and you want to find its perimeter. As the shape is a square shape, so we will find the perimeter for, we will apply the formula of perimeter of square, because the shape of the given shape is a square shape. Solve what is given here, right? First given. What is given here? Side is given. The value of side is 44.9 centimeter. What is given? Side is given. What is the value of side? 44.9 centimeter. Right? Now find the perimeter. Perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. We have this formula. Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. Now put the value of side in the formula. Perimeter of a square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. What is the value of side? Side is equals to 44.9 centimeter. So write 44.9 centimeter. At the place of side we have write 44.9 centimeter. Now perimeter of square will be, here solve this step, 4 multiplied by 44.9. Arrange both the numbers column wise in rough work. In rough work we can arrange both the numbers column wise and multiply them. 4 9s are 36, 6 here, 3 carry forward, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 19, so 9 here, 1 carry forward, 4 4s are 16 and 1 17, right? Our first number, our multiplicand is a decimal number, so we need to put a decimal in the product also. So as decimal is just after 1 digit, so in our answer we will put a decimal from the rightmost side, we will leave 1 digit and we will put decimal. So our result is 179.6 centimeter. 179.6 centimeter is our result. Centimeter. So the perimeter of a square is 179.6 centimeter. Now let us do part B. Rectangular shape is there in which one side is length is 18.9 meter and width is 22.5 meter, right? So first of all we will write the given data. In solution we will write the given data. What is given? Given length equals to and breadth equal to. Both the things are given. Length is 18.9 meter and breadth is 22.5 meter, right? These data are given. Here we are talking about length and breadth and we want to find perimeter of this shape. So as we know that it is a rectangular shape, so we will use the formula perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. In short, I am denoting length by capital L and breadth by capital B. Therefore, in next step, perimeter of rectangle will be equals to 2 multiplied by bracket open. What is the length? 18.9. So write 18.9 meter. Then plus symbol. So write plus. Then breadth. What is the breadth? Value of breadth is 22.5 meter. Bracket close. Now perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of rectangle is equals to above the bracket, here in bracket, these two numbers must be added. Okay, so add both the numbers, arrange them column wise. In rougher we can do it 18.9 and 22.5. Add them. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry forward. 9 plus 2 is 11. Again 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 41.4 meter. Now what will be the next step? In next step we will multiply 2 with 41.4 meter. And when we multiply, what we will get? We will get our final result. So multiply both the numbers. So our final answer will be perimeter of rectangle is equals to 82.8 meter. 82.8 meter, right? So here question number 5 is also complete. Both the question number 4 and 5 are based on perimeter. Even this exercise 9.1 was based on the perimeter topic, right? What is the perimeter? When we walk along the boundary, when we talk about the boundary of any shape, okay, the sum of the total length of boundary is known as perimeter, or the sum of all side is known as perimeter. Okay, in perimeter we talk about boundary, okay, we talk about just a boundary length. We do not talk about the inside part of the shape. We just talk about the length of the boundary, right? So this exercise was based on perimeter. Basically we have discussed the formula of perimeter of a square and perimeter of rectangle, and we can find the perimeter of any shape by adding all its lengths. Okay, so this lecture is complete here. Even this exercise is also complete. In next lecture we will continue a new topic.